How to redeem or use Zone Lewis gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site zonelewis.com. It will land you on the official page of Zone Lewis. Once you're in here, make sure that you are logged into your specific account. When you are logged into your account, you need to move into any of the product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to buy this product. What you want to do is tap on Add to your basket. Now head over to your basket at the top right. Review your order and then click on Continue to checkout. You have to enter your detailed contact information and also your shipping address. Once you are done, it will lead you to this page. Right here it says Use gift card or voucher. Click on it. Well, you can either choose gift card or gift voucher. Choose according to your need. Let me click on gift card. Now in this section, enter your gift card number and also enter your PIN. Once you have entered, tap on Done at the bottom. Then your gift card online will be successfully redeemed and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Zone Lewis gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you, and thank you for watching it till the end.